Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The atmosphere here is electric. As you can see, the excitement around the Suzuki Swift is palpable. Known for its agility and fuel efficiency, the Swift is designed for those who love the thrill of driving while enjoying the conveniences of modern technology. The 2024 Suzuki Swift Lxi is tailored for urban lifestyles. Its compact size makes it perfect for maneuvering through busy streets, while its bold styling ensures you make a statement wherever you go. Let's take a closer look at what this model has to offer. Let's talk about design. The Swift Lxi features a sporty profile, accentuated by dynamic lines and an aggressive front fascia. The signature grille and sleek headlights not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also provide excellent visibility, ensuring you're seen on the road. One of the standout features of the Swift is its versatility. With compact dimensions, parking in tight spaces is a breeze, and its lightweight construction contributes to nimble handling and improved fuel efficiency. It's designed for urban living, making it an ideal companion for navigating the hustle and bustle of city life. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's crafted with both comfort and functionality in mind. The Swift Lxi may be a base model, but it doesn't skimp on quality. The seats offer ample support, ensuring comfort for both short commutes and longer journeys. The dashboard layout is intuitive, placing everything within easy reach. The Swift Lxi comes equipped with a straightforward infotainment system, allowing you to connect your smartphone for hands-free calls and music streaming. It's all about making your driving experience enjoyable and hassle-free. Now let's discuss performance. The 2024 Suzuki Swift Lxi is powered by a fuel-efficient engine that offers an engaging driving experience. With responsive steering and a lightweight frame, you'll find yourself enjoying every twist and turn of the road. Under the hood, the Swift Lxi features a 1.2-liter petrol engine that delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. With its impressive fuel economy, you can expect to go further on every tank, making it an ideal choice for daily commutes. It's designed to minimize your trips to the gas station, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the drive. Safety is paramount in the Swift Lxi. This model comes equipped with essential safety features, including dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. These features work together to give you peace of mind on every journey, ensuring that you and your passengers are well protected. The Swift is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the experiences along the way. With its spacious hatchback design, you'll have no trouble loading up your gear for a day out with friends or a spontaneous road trip. The flexibility of the Swift allows it to adapt to your lifestyle, making it perfect for any adventure. Despite its compact size, the Swift Lxi offers surprisingly generous cargo space. The rear seats can be folded down to create even more room for larger items, making it practical for both daily errands and weekend adventures. Whether you're hauling groceries, sports equipment, or luggage for a getaway, the Swift has got you covered. One of the standout features of the Swift Lxi is its dynamic handling. With a suspension system designed for comfort and agility, you'll enjoy a smooth ride whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The responsive steering makes it easy to navigate tight corners, while the stable chassis provides confidence in various driving conditions. The infotainment system in the Swift Lxi may be basic, but it gets the job done. You'll find a clear display that allows for easy navigation and media control, ensuring you stay connected during your travels. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream your favorite music effortlessly, adding to the enjoyment of every drive. As we embrace the future of mobility, the 2024 Suzuki Swift Lxi proves that you don't need to sacrifice style or performance for affordability. It's a vehicle that combines practicality with a sense of fun, making every journey enjoyable. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out on a weekend adventure, the Swift is ready for whatever life throws your way. The 2024 Suzuki Swift Lxi Base Model is more than just a hatchback. It's a statement of what it means to drive smartly and stylishly. With its blend of performance, practicality, and modern features, the Swift Lxi is ready to take on the road. Thank you for joining us today for this exciting look at the 2024 Suzuki Swift Lxi. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about this model. What features are you most excited about? We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.